Sleep is the most important activity that we do in our daily life. It is even more important than eating. If you don't get a good enough sleep, your brain can never work to its fullest potential. So here are 3 ways by which you can have the best sleep you have ever had. Step 1. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, just kidding guys. Before moving further, if you want to skyrocket your progress on self-improvement, you can DM me level on Instagram to book a free one-to-one call with me. This is my Instagram handle. Number 1. You do need 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but you won't get it if you sleep for 7 to 8 hours. What? What is this guy saying? Yes, because it takes us anywhere from 15 minutes to 1 hour, depending on our environment, to get into deep sleep. And that is what counts. And also, some minutes or half an hour before waking up, our mind gets out of deep sleep, depending on your environment, which we will talk about in a bit. So, when we sleep, actually, we are just sleeping for 70 to 90% of the time. Again, depending on your environment. So if your bedtime is 8 hours, you're only sleeping approximately for 6 hours and not more than that. So if you want to have a good 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your bedtime should be anywhere from 9 to 10 hours. My bedtime also varies. It is not fixed at 9 hours or 10 hours. It also varies from 9 to 10 hours depending on how tired I am. In order to make that time, I recommend sacrificing other important things because as I said, sleeping is the most important activity that we do in our day. Second, do not do any high stimulation activity 2 hours before bed. If you do any high stimulation activity or like working out, playing chess, or speaking loudly, then it will make your brain active for activities. So it will be harder for you to fall asleep. I recommend meditating or reading before bed. Last but not least, set the correct environment. Stay in a dark and quiet room. There must be near to no light and no sound, and also a cold temperature. Why is that? Because when we sleep, before sleeping, our body temperature needs to drop down by 2 degrees in order to get into deep sleep. So that's all, guys. Apply all of these and have the best sleep of your life.